Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website which is officially website gigabyte.com, and then right inside you can see this is search tab to enter your model number B86 Gaming X Wi-Fi 6E, then hit enter. Click on product, then click on title. This is your motherboard. So click on support. Then select your operating system which is required. So if you are using any Windows 10 11, because installations process same, driver same. Okay, audio driver. So this is a Realtek audio driver, and you can see 165, this is size, and click to here to download. Okay, so I already downloaded. I show you this Realtek audio 165 size. Just after download, open that, then double click. Then okay. Now this is extracting to system the driver. Now this is installing. So this is closed automatically, means this is installed. Chipset driver extract, so you can see this one and this one. Okay, processor unit driver, and click to download. It is downloading. So it is completed. Then open, double click to exe. After get require administrator rights to install, and then yes. Now this is extract first after it install. So this is installed, and then close it. LAN driver, click to download. After download LAN driver, just open. Then you can see this is driver. Just double click. then yes. Now this is extracting. So guys, this is automatically closed, means this is installed. VJ driver, this is VJ driver, and this is size 915 MB, and click to download. It will start downloading automatically. So I already downloaded. I see you this 195. Just click after downloaded, and then double click to install. Then click to yes. Now this is installing. Wait few seconds, it will start it automatically, and automatically close means this is installed. Now this is installing. And this is close automatically. This is install and close it. Bluetooth driver, see this is Intel Bluetooth driver, and click to download. Start downloading. Then it is done. Bluetooth driver, and just open and double click to exe. And then yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing. So it is closed means this is installed. So for Wi-Fi, scroll down, see VLAN. VLAN means Wi-Fi driver. So see Intel driver and click to download. It is start downloading here. So it is done, and then open Wi-Fi driver, double click to launch, then click to yes. Now this is installing Wi-Fi driver, and then close it.